कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Sorkar Jylla klabo thong Shna hadu iway point sau pholak Tylli ki Ïing nakbenta ki long Ïing ki Baduk haka Jylla lingba ka Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Yakini lapin tip do menteri rangba ka Jylla ukon ra kongkel sangma habikan markila pathai ku bor hadin balawai ka jingyalang perkhat kam jong ka Sorkar kabla long haka arpu khandai trik unai Ïing araja arpulai. Ulayat hu bagi saus nam meladap ke Sorkar Shna kumba saupo hajar sanpo hajar Tylli ki Ïing bana ka benta usnam araja arpulai araja arpusau labu thong Shna hadu iway point saupo lak Tylli ki Ïing nak benta ki Baduk.
This year is a very important year for the Pmay project. Just to give you a comparison, then the last 4 years, the target for the state was roughly about 40,000, 50,000 houses. And this year alone, 2023, 2024, we have a target of 140,000. And this has happened because we have been really engaging with Government of India, and we have put a target to complete all the pending houses that are there in the list. And we are happy to inform you that Government of India is cooperating and is engaging and discussing with us in detail. And we in fact have now released the second tranche also of funds. So almost close to about 800 crores has already been spent. And almost all the houses now are on track. And we should see the work start in almost all of them. And we're hopeful, this is the working season, that we will be able to complete the 140,000 target that we have. And if that happens, it will be a very, very big achievement for the department and the government as a whole. And with that, we'll be able to complete the pending beneficiaries who are supposed to or who should be getting the houses. So it's a big target, and that's why we have put up a mission director for this. We have 2 assistant mission directors. We have 1 ADC at every district level who's in charge of this mission, and reviews at the DC level takes place every week. At the Chief Minister's level, it takes place every month, and all the DCs and all the BDOs have been asked to make at least 2 visits to different villages and different blocks to review the work and to actually visit the houses and continuously update the mission director on the work that's going on, the status of the work. So this kind of monitoring systems, this kind of reviews are being done on a regular basis. So today was the review that was to be done by the Chief Minister.